Espera, Alright, are you ready? My athletes, what's gonna happen is, I'm gonna call different things that you have to do. So like live, or you might have to ticket, or a heel stretch, a scale, a scorpion. If your foot touches the ground, your other foot, you are out, okay? Here we go, we're gonna start with the opposite leg, live, and a IV. So you have your right leg up, and live, hold it. And on my count, I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to do a high. You're going to switch it. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. Hold it. And on my next count, you're going to kick your heel stretch. And 5, 6, 7, 8, kick. Hold. You should have your left leg up right now. Your left leg should be up right now. Hold it. Number 2. Pull it. Low arrow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull it. If you don't have clean, if you don't have here, you can clean. You can clean. Clean. We're gonna do a sequence. So you're gonna start off with your good leg. You're going to switch to your bad leg, and you're going to switch to a stretch immediate. So the counts, we're gonna go. We're gonna start with the leg up. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? One more time. We're gonna go then up, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Kick. 5, 6, 7. If you start to bounce, you are out. Here we go. And live up. You're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Kick. 5. Hold it. Alright, now kick your leg back to an arabesque. Arabesque, go. Hold it, and you're looking for the scale.